In this guide, you'll learn how to check the real battery health on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch settings. Click on battery. Now click on battery health. Here you'll see the maximum capacity percentage Apple displays, but this number is generally incorrect. Even on newer iPhones that show cycle count information. To find the real battery health, go back to main page of settings. Now navigate to the option privacy and security. Click on the option analytics and improvements. Then tap analytics data. You'll see a long list of analytics reports. Choose the most recent one available. If you don't see any analytics report, you'll need to head back. Now toggle on for this option, Share iPhone Analytics. Wait a day or two and the reports will appear automatically. Once you open the latest analytics file, we will use a shortcut to calculate the real battery health for us. Launch Shortcuts app in your device. Now search for bandwidth stats. If you cannot find it over here, you can launch a Safari browser, search for bandwidth stats and get the shortcut. Once the shortcut has been installed, now navigate back to the report page. Launch the report and click on the Share option. Tap More and select Bandwidth Stats shortcut. This shortcut will automatically read your analytics data and calculate your actual battery health, including your cycle count and true maximum capacity. You'll likely notice that this number is lower than your iPhone shows in settings. For example, your phone may say 100%, but the real value could be closer to 97% or lower. This calculation is accurate because it's based on Apple's own internal data. According to Apple, older iPhones are designed to retain 80% battery capacity after 500 charge cycles, while iPhone 15 models and newer are designed to retain 80% after 1000 cycles. Using this data, the shortcut calculates the real degradation of your battery. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.